If you have ever tried selling Notion templates online, you know the struggle. You spend hours designing the perfect layout, but when it comes to writing the description, it feels flat and no one clicks buy. And here is the untold truth. Most sellers treat their template descriptions like a checklist of features, when in reality buyers want to see how it will change their daily life. Think about it. A line like includes 5 dashboards and 20 trackers sounds nice, but it does not answer the real question. Why should I care? That gap is the silent killer of sales. Studies show that 80% of buyers scan words before looking at design. That means your copy matters more than you think. So how do you write copy for Notion templates that actually sells? Here are 3 powerful tips. Step 1. Paint the transformation. Instead of listing dashboards, describe the outcome. Say organize your entire week in one view or turn chaos into clarity in seconds. This works because people buy the result, not the template itself. Step 2. Use relatable language. Your audience is busy students, freelancers, or creators. Write in words they already use. Instead of productivity hub, say your one-stop space to finally stay on top of everything. When buyers see themselves in the copy, they are more likely to click. Step 3. Add social proof early. Mention how many people already use it or highlight a short review. Even one line like "trusted by Flutter creators" can create instant trust. And here's a quick bonus tip. Add a call to action inside the description. Something as simple as "download today and see results by tonight" can boost conversions overnight. Now let us be real. Writing this kind of copy takes time. Staring at a blank page when you have 10 templates to launch is exhausting. That is the problem. And the frustration grows when you also need ad copy, email text, and landing pages. This is where AI Creator Max comes in. It has over 100 templates built on proven formulas like ADA and PAS. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10 times faster so you can focus on building, not stressing. Try it free today at aicreatormax.com. And here is a light reminder. Your Notion description should not sound like a user manual. If it reads like setup instructions, it is time to rewrite. Now you know the untold truth about writing copy for Notion templates and exactly how to fix it. This video is part of a mini course playlist designed to help you write copy that sells across Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, and more. So binge the rest of the videos to get the full playbook. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your biggest copywriting challenge. And do not wait until tomorrow to improve your copy. Apply these tips today and try AI Creator Max free, because every day you wait is another day of lost sales.